Welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video we are going to check how you can get the free certification on the MySQL basic course. And friend, it is a absolutely free course and you can enroll in this free certification course from any country. And friend, please watch the video complete so that you can understand what types of modules you will learn, what are the certificate eligibility criteria and how you have to enroll in this free certification course. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So friend, this course is provided by the Great Learning and you can see here the course name is a MySQL Basics. And friend, enrolling in this beginners course will help you to develop functional knowledge of one of the relational database management system, MySQL, and its usefulness with practically, which will eventually improve your career prospects. And friend, you can see here 1.5 lakh plus learners has been already enrolled in this free certification courses. So let's check what you will learn in MySQL Basics. So you can see here DBMS and RDBMS fundamentals, keys and normalization, installing MySQL, commands and operators, filtering and pattern matching. So friend, let's check about these free certification courses. So friend, in this course, we'll first introduce you to database management system, which is also known as a DBMS, with a few examples. Next, you will learn its various types and advantages, followed by the relational database management system, which is known as a RDBMS. And friend, where you will comprehend the difference between DBMS and RDBMS, and later you will get a familiar with the different keys and normalization techniques with examples. Moving ahead, you will be introduced to MySQL and various concepts like commands, filter, records, operators, pattern matching, and null values. And friend, in addition, you will learn the implement all these concepts through hands-on demonstration. Once you finish this free course, you have to take the quiz and earn a completion certificate. So there is a quiz-based examination for getting the certification. So friend, you can see here what types of modules you will learn. The first module is an introduction to database management system. Then the second module is a types of database management system. Third is a what is the relational database management system, and fourth one is a key concepts in relational database management system. And you can see let's next is a normalization techniques, and after that you will learn the here what is SQL and getting started with MySQL. And you can see types of commands in SQL, filters as well as operators and pattern matching in MySQL. Also, you will learn the null values in MySQL. So this type of some modules you will learn. And friend, these they teach you through video contents, so which is a very good for you. And friend, let's check what types of certificates you will get. So on the top, you can see here top right corner you can see there is a certificate of completion you will get, in which your name will be printed and the course name will be given. So friend, these certificates you can use to showcase your skills, gain a competitive edge, and also stand out to recruiters and land your dream job. And friend, you will get the free lifetime access for this course and the completion certificates. And friend, you can complete this certification course according to your time. When you will get the free time, you can complete it. There is no limitation, so you can complete it on self-paced time. So friends, let's check how you have to enroll in these free certification courses. So friend, for enrolling, you have to click on this enroll for free. Once you click, then this type of window will pop up. Then you have to enter your email address and you have to continue so that you can register yourself at the Great Learning. Friend, once you register, then this course will add in your ID. So I have already logged in, so I will show you. So you can see here this course is added in my ID, and you can see here all these learning videos are here given. So you can see here the topic name is given, and on the right hand side you can see the duration of these videos are given, like 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 10, you can see. And friend, after watching all this video, you have to give the one quiz based examination. And after passing the quiz based examination, you will have to claim your course certificates, and after that you will get the certificates. So friend, once you click on this any video, then You can see here the sample videos are given. So they are having very good content. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding these pre-certification courses, or if you have face and resolve it, and friend, also if you are searching for any particular topic for the pre-certification courses, comment we can check it and make video on that. And please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.